Recently I made a video for a company called Livall for their new smart helmet called the C20. I've been using this helmet for the past couple of weeks as my daily driver when I've been out and about on my electric scooter. So I thought I'd bring you an update on how this smart helmet has performed, coming right up. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. And if you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, the Livall C20 smart helmet. What's this helmet been like to use for a couple of weeks on a daily basis? First off guys, I just wanted to say I'm not sponsored by Livall in any way, but they did kindly send me this helmet to review, so big shout out to you guys and thank you for doing that. By the way guys, if you'd like to see the unboxing and my first impressions video of this helmet, I will leave a card right up there. Go over and watch that and head right back over here. So guys, what didn't I like about this helmet? You know what? There's not a lot to not like about it. It's pretty good on the whole. That's a kind of spoiler. But a couple of things that I found a bit strange is the box that it comes in. The box that it comes in seems to be like a generic Livall helmet box. In fact, I own the Livall Neo helmet, which I'll leave a card up there for if you'd want to check that out. And that helmet is packed with a ton of tech. Now, it's not to say the C20 isn't, but the Livall Neo helmet comes with hands-free speakerphone. It's got built-in stereo headphones, earphones, whatever, so you can listen to music. You can also listen to spoken navigation instructions, so you know that's pretty good. And yeah, the speakerphone part of that is pretty cool, although I did find the microphone, once you're getting a bit of speed up, isn't so great. It also has a remote control for indicators, etc, etc. Now all of these things are kind of illustrated on the box. So for a while with the C20 I was kind of like trying to figure out, well, where's the speakers? How do I get the speakerphone to go and stuff like that? And I realized looking a little bit deeper that the box does say features may vary depending on what model you have. So that was kind of like my bad, because should have probably read the instructions or read the branding and printing first. So you know, what are you gonna do? So, but that's not to say that this helmet, the C20, doesn't come with a bunch of tech, and in fact it does. It comes with fall detection. Now this is a pretty awesome piece of technology that if you fall off your scooter, it's going to send out a notification to a contact that you've previously saved. So in the app you can save a contact and they are going to get a notification if you fall, and with that notification they're also going to get a map and a location, and you know what, that's all good. Downside is it took me a while to kind of get that going, so you know, I didn't really want to stage a full-on crash for obvious reasons, but I did kind of throw the helmet on the grass a few times. I did throw it up in the air and, you know, kind of play around with it. And it took a while to get that fall detection to kind of kick in. But when it did send a notification to a contact of mine, and it did send the map and all the rest of it, and that bit worked just fine. So I'm kind of thinking maybe there's some tweaking to do in the software or something like that, because the Neo helmet, which I'm assuming uses similar if not the same technology, seems to work just fine. But guys, that's it. That's pretty much the end of my dislikes. So what did I like about the helmet? Well, pretty much everything. It's light, so keeping it on for extended periods of time, you don't even know you've got it on. It's comfortable. There's a ton of padding, fully adjustable strap with padding on the strap. So wearing this is kind of like a bit of a pleasure. I think this is a great price considering that other helmets that don't have all this tech built in and all of these design and innovation awards cost between like £30 and £90 in the UK, and the C20 comes in at a staggering $69.99, so that's pretty cool. And I'll leave a link in the description where you can kind of get one of these should you want to do so, and I think you should. Also guys, the app is a breeze to use. Just pair the helmet to your smartphone, good to go. This thing is as simple as that. Once paired up, you can set your contact details for the person you want to be notified, if you have to use the fall detection, and that's about it. There's very, very little in the app that you need to be concerned about. All of the default stuff is there. I think it's good. One thing I did notice that you can't have two helmets in the app. So if you're using it's the same app for the Neo helmet, for the C20 helmet. I tried to put both helmets in there, but I was unable to do that. So I had to set up the C20 on a different device. So, you know, that's a bit of a pain if you're kind of switching between helmets, but not the end of the world. And also guys, don't forget the smart lighting feature. This thing's got a backlight that you can set to come on automatically when it gets dark, or you can have it permanently on. I think the nice thing about having it set to come on when it's dark is that if you're on a ride and you're actually getting into, you know, darker time of evening, then having this come on automatically is great, because you haven't got to get off your scooter or bicycle or whatever you're on, turn the helmet on and, you know, go from there. So, or even forget to do it. So I think, you know, turning it on, once you turn this thing on, you get the LED lights come on. That tells you, I think there's 7 in total, that tells you how much kind of battery power you've got. Then, you know, depending on how many times you push the button, you will go into one of the different modes, and the mode for automatic backlight, that's the one you want to pick. As soon as it starts to get dusky or dark, that light will come on and stay on, and you can have it come on solid or you can have it flashing. So that's pretty cool too. And then guys, the brake light. So I think this is like, you know, really, really, really useful, because a lot of scooters, electric scooters, bicycles, what have you, the lights are pretty low down. So when you're traveling and there's a car behind you, or there's a truck or lorry or something that's a bit higher up, it's really hard for them to see the backlight of the scooter or push bike. So having that on your head, you're standing up, particularly on a scooter, you've got a much, much higher visibility. And you know what, having a brake light and letting people know behind you what's going on in terms of like you stopping, emergency stopping, whatever, is really going to be up there when it comes to safety. So that is an absolutely brilliant feature. So guys, in order to test this brake light, I don't have a camera crew, so I decided I was going to break out a drone, jump on my Inakim Oxo electric scooter, put the drone into tracking mode so it could follow me, and here we are. As you can see, as I'm stopping, brake lights on, so happy days. However, please forgive my latest YouTube subscribers. I've had to blur their faces out for obvious reasons. So guys, all in all, I am seriously impressed with this new helmet from Livall. Comfortable, packed with a ton of features, and a really affordable price. Guys, this is seriously good. If you have any comments, questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Maybe you have one of these already and you've had good or bad experiences. Guys, please let me know in the comments section also. Guys, I'm going to put a link in the description as to where you can buy one of these helmets. I'm also going to be giving this helmet away to a lucky new subscriber. So guys, please, if you're not subscribed already, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment as to why you think you should win this helmet. The best one, I'm going to package it up and I'm going to send it to you. So guys, that said, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Livall for sending me this helmet to review. So guys, please like, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.